Hello, this is Sheila again, and we are doing composting part 3. I was going to wait till tomorrow, but it's supposed to rain, so I thought I'd get it in today. Today we're going to talk about what to add in your compost that actually helps it with nutrients, and it actually activates your mulch so that it mulches much faster. And that's called the Comfrey plant. Not sure if you've ever heard of it, but all you need is one plant, trust me, and it will grow everywhere. Why? Because these plants have roots that go deep, deep, deep into the soil. Actually, their roots are like 6-foot roots, and what they do is they harvest the nutrients from the deep in the soil, making a fantastic natural source of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which you can add to your compost, which makes it such a rich compost. And you can actually use these leaves for medicinal purposes. You can make tea. You can feed them to your rabbits. You can make a salad. Very, very nutritional. And one thing you can also do is you can take these leaves, like this is what I call my other compost pile. I haven't raked it up in a while, but I have it filled with comfrey leaves, and of course you don't see too many right now because I've been pulling them out all summer from my garden. But what you do is you take a barrel and you fill it about halfway, if you can, of comfrey leaves, not once they've flowered. Now this is what a flower looks like on a comfrey leaf. So you don't want to take the leaves. I'm not going to touch the leaves on this plant because they've already flowered, and that means they might seed themselves, which I do not want. So what I do is I put a whole bunch of leaves in a barrel, and then I water it down, and I just let it sit there for about 3 weeks. Don't put it near your house because it does have a foul smell, especially if it's hot outside. And then what you do is you use that water, I call it the comfrey tea, and you can spray it on your tomatoes, your green peppers, your fruit trees, your berry trees, and it actually not only does it help them from any kind of fungi or insecticide or any kind of problems, it does something to those plants that really help them along. You need to investigate. I will add some links below so you can look up comfrey. What it does, you can actually take the leaves and just put them in the hole in the spring when you start planting your garden, and they will add nutrients immediately to your seeds. Once again, don't take the comfrey once it's flowered, but take the comfrey leaves and just put them, because they will decompose really quickly. So you just put them in your garden. Put them all around your plants, even plants that look like they're dying. Use the comfrey leaves, and folks, all you have to do is, like I said, get one plant, and the next year you're going to have so many you're not going to know what to do with them. I've found comfrey in places that I did not want comfrey. Obviously, birds have taken my flowers from the comfrey and planted them everywhere in my yard, so I'm constantly pulling out comfrey. I try to get the roots because the roots are really full of nutrients, so if you can get the roots in comfrey plants that you don't want in certain locations, then those roots are excellent, like I said, full of nutrients. So that's my tip for today on composting, and we'll till the next time, composting part 3 is completed. Thank you.